You always, as an administrator, want to support your staff so they feel they can trust you but also come to you at any time for help. Hold weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly meetings with staff and talk about the referrals they had that month. Talk about the steps that are working and the steps that need to be worked on. Talk about what they think about the process and their input. Talk about the children. Are they improving? Do they need more help? Be open-minded to your staff and their thoughts. Have community partners attend these meetings and ask them the same questions of what can be worked on, what to keep that is actually working. Remember to listen to their outside ideas and possibly implement them into your referral steps. Have meetings with your interventionist team. Hold them weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Ask the questions of what can be done to better the referral system, what is great and working for the referrals, and how can we make this work as a well-oiled machine. Remember, they are your team, and you're part of the community and the schools that are trying to enrich these children's education. So be open and listen to every suggestion put out on the table.